Hello and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix the error code on your Bosch washing machine. All right, so the error code we're looking at in today's video is the E23, and the E23 simply means, or it's an error code that means water has been detected in the base pan underneath the machine. This triggers the Aqua Stop leak protection system for safety. The machine may actually lock or run the drain pump continuously to avoid or prevent flooding. Basically, that's what it does. So, what are the common causes? Some of the common causes are small leaks from hoses, door seals, or a detergent drawer, blockages in the drain pump or filter, which actually causes the backup, oversodding from too much detergent, losing connection, or the machine not actually being level is one of the issues. And then, rarely, it's an internal component leak. So, something could be actually wrong inside. All right. So, what's a quick fix you can try? A quick fix you can try is simply unplugging the machine and then turning off the water supply. And then once you have done that, lay towels down and then simply lift or tilt the washer forward to about 45 degrees to drain the water from the base pan, and then stand it upright and then wipe up the spills and plug it back in and test it again. Now, if this doesn't work, if it comes back, you could simply try cleaning the drain pump filter. So you could actually try cleaning your machine filter at the front bottom to simply remove debris or coins, and then check and straighten the drain hose for any kinks. So if you notice any kinks on your hose, you could simply just straighten it out and then inspect the hoses and then the door seal for leaks. And then use the right amount of HE detergent and ensure the machine is always level, because if the machine is unleveled or out of level, you're going to be having those leaks. All right, and then after these, you could now simply reset it by unplugging for 5 minutes and then run a short cycle to see if the error clears. Now, if it doesn't, make sure to call a pro. If the E23 error persists, there's likely an internal leak, so contact Bosch support or a technician right away. And that's it. And this basically solves most E23 errors safely. Thanks for watching. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.